Oh, go ahead.
Now, what's up, y'all? Sparty here. It's a very quick video, very special video. Happy Valentine's. I'm just kidding. I'm just
birthday,
kidding.
no.
Happy birthday. Anyway,
As you guys may have known, well, I'm FK Phoenix. Nice to meet you guys. I'm a homie of Sparta here, and as you guys may have known, they just released the limited edition PS4, the 500 million.
The 500 million PlayStations sold PlayStation 4.
So I was up all night on the 24th. Right at 12:05, I was able to buy it. Sure enough, it's here. So I figured we'd do a live unboxing for the, for the channel.
Not live recorded, but either way.
Yeah, right. Recorded unboxing, live reactions, because this is the first time I haven't seen anything in it. So let me just go ahead and pop that open. Oh man, look at that box.
Okay. Be gone, thought.
That box itself just looks nice, don't it, love?
I'm gonna lower some shit.
Let me go ahead and get this tape off while I'm doing that so you can see the box clearly. Oh, I'm definitely saving this for the collection. The box doesn't even feel like a box. It feels like a little plastic sleeve. Wait, I think it is.
Yeah, I think that.
Oh, yep. Little wedge thing here.
Yeah.
So as you guys may
Thought your finger in action was on point, dog. What you doing?
It is. I'm about being gentle. Usually my finger in action is a little bit rougher. Go ahead, take that shell off. And then this is what we see underneath. Oh man, they specially packaged this and everything.
Yeah, that controller, they didn't do shit. They just put it in a regular ass PS4 controller box and just like, here.
Right? Speaking of the controller, here it is. Yeah, show that to the camera.
Okay, now I bought one of these. I wasn't able to get the PS4 one because I already have a limited edition one, and two, I just wanted the controller. As you guys can see, it's translucent blue. It's a very smooth finish. It's not like the matte finish of the base controller.
No, very polished. And then it has the little brass.
A little gold-ish, colors on the lettering.
That's the controller, and then it comes with its own PS4 camera.
I'm getting mine back.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was thinking. I was like, wait, I can just get yours back now. Oh, it's completely different than
It's the newer one.
Yeah. It even follows the same color scheme too.
Yeah, it's a very nice looking one.
Yeah, so let's just set that there for display, and then came with this little thing. Looks like, oh, it's the instruction manuals and whatnot. Get that back. That's unimportant. We PS4 masters over here already, so
right.
I've had mine had my PlayStation 4 since the first one came out.
And if y'all have a base one, y'all know that fan is pretty much it's a jet engine now.
Right, that shit comes with the little headset.
Little headset, typical. It's translucent as well, but it's your typical shitty one. So, yep, as you guys can see, blue on there, blue on here, but it's transparent.
The standard cords, they look like just regular ass cords, but then here's the little stand for the camera.
Stand. Not translucent, so that's a 5 out of 10.
Go there. They got the little power cable.
Little power cable, yep.
More stuff. The little vertical stand.
They gave them a vertical stand, which I don't really see why you need. It stands up well without it.
But then it helps with the circulation and stuff as well.
Yeah, that nice translucent stand there too.
Set than whatever this is. I think this also goes with the stand.
Probably.
It's a screw.
Some screws and shit.
Yep. This part of the stand. It has a little,
you know,
the little
triangle,
shape.
X, circle, square.
It's signature. But now, let's get to the piece that is stats. PlayStation itself. Get these little things off.
I'm taking that sleeve.
This is a nice sleeve. So good, but once we unveil the sleeve, we get to see the beauty that is the PS4.
Nah, I got plastic on it.
Yep.
So, oh, it's one. It's a continuous one. You take off the other half. Whoo!
And then there's the top piece to it.
Oh,
too.
shit.
Okay. Look, you want to come take off the top piece? Make this a team effort?
Top it off.
Come on. Come on. Just put your hand in. They don't even have to see you. Just come take off this top piece of plastic.
Oh.
I mean, since you like did contribute to be.
It feels good to take off the.
Don't make this a drop test video.
That's why I got both hands on it.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, it's gorgeous. You can see the fan and everything in it.
Alright. So, yeah, you can see the little hard drive cover right there. That gold PlayStation logo.
Mm-hmm. Gold and brass. So, yeah.
It's very nice.
Beautiful packaging, beautiful looking device, beautiful.
Oh, wait, we gotta see
accessories.
what number you got.
Oh yeah, there's the special number.
35,874 out of 50,000 consoles.
Whew. It's not a very special number, but hey, I'm still fortunate to have it.
Right.
So yeah.
So yeah, that's pretty much it.
If you was lucky enough to get this is what it comes with. Now you guys know what you're missing out on.
Right. All right. This is part of the thing. Guys, for watching. Thanks for the support. Hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday, whatever time of day is in your area. Have a good one. Like this video, like it, dislike it. If you dislike it, share with people that are interested in PlayStation 4. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell icon to know when I upload my next video. Again, have a good one, you guys.
See ya.